Hi viewers, Samarnath Small Steps Trader channel. Let's start with Money Mantra. You must spend money to make money. So without spending, we cannot make money because, for example, we have to spend some money for learning. So if only we learn and update our knowledge, then only we are able to make money. So with that sense, so we always ready to spend money. If we like to earn on 10 paise, at least we have to spend 2-3 paise. We have to ready to spend. So that's what it says. It's true. Okay, we'll start with currency spot rate, which is RBI reference rate. So according to the RBI reference rate, today USDINR is 82 rupees 64 paise, Yen 56 rupees 46 paise, GBP 104 rupees 30 paise, Euro 89 rupees 38 paise. So currency feature we will see that. So other than JPY, rest of the currencies close to positively. That we will see detailing in chart. So first we will see USDINR. So it almost had a flat opening yesterday. From the yesterday close, it has a flat opening today. Yesterday close was 82.71. So exactly at the same place it has opened. So at the close to close basis, 13% it is positively closed. If you see till 11:45, it was in the very much sideways momentum. So after that, the trend has formed. It exactly it closed to 13 PC. So this is the very good entry. You can see all the three lines it's broken and decisively it has come. So if anybody took the entry at 82.72, it is well closed at 82.84. That is 12 paise. Sorry, 85. So 13 paise, very much decent return. That is 130 rupees per lot. So for the positional traders, the 60-minute chart. If you see the 60-minute chart, uh, yesterday I said that this was a channel. I said so. This is so today it has breakout. If it is not a fake breakout, tomorrow it flows positively. The subsequent is the USDINR may go in the upper side. If it is if tomorrow it closed within this channel, then we cannot take this as a breakout. So the whole month how it has performed, so that we will see. See in the August. Usually this would be minimum 2 rupees the high and low monthly wise I am saying. So with that sense, see it is sorry just 82.40, 83.20, 30 we can say 90 paise. It is very less we can say at least 150 rupees. That is one the monthly high and monthly low. It should be covered 150 rupees. But if you see the total month, it has traveled just in 90 paise. This is very unusual. Very less volatility we can see. Monthly base is very less volatility. So this is quite unusual. Let me see how this month happens. Now it's JPYINR. So JPYINR at the beginning it is almost a flat opening. You can see previous closes 56.81. So just 4 paise in the upper side. At the end 11 paise it is closed negatively. So if you see here, the whole day, almost a whole day we can say it was in the sideways. This level you can see. This is the most of the time it was stated here. If you see 56.82, 56. 8, sorry, 56.86. Just in 4 pieces, the whole day it was traveling. So only after around 4 o'clock, see here, exactly here it has last 1 hour only. It has traveled 1 rupee in the downside. So rest of the whole day it was in sideways. There is no trading opportunity. So this is the entry we can see. I mean this is the entry because until here it keep on hovering over the VWAP and the EMH lines actually. So this is a decisively closed. So one who take entry at here 56.80, closed at 56.70, 10 paise per lot, that is 100 rupees will get. So this is for the intraday players. So how the positional 1 hour chart we will see. So how the monthly ways it has performed, that also we will see. So this is very much clear. See, the month beginning, almost the expiry, previous expiry, from the previous expiry, it was very much gradually it has come down. Only once for 2 days it is just touched the 50 EMA line. Other than that, it was completely in the downtrend, clear downtrend. For the monthly ways, if you can see, this is the monthly begins. The highest this one 58.80. The low is 56.70. So almost 2 rupees 10 paise the whole month at high and low. This is okay compared to USDINR. Usually this would be 2 rupees 50 paise, but it is 2 rupees 10 paise. So almost the average monthly high and low it is touched for this month. But anyway, the subsequent is uh, there are chances it may go, but this last candle giving quite a lot of. So the since yesterday it was in the sideways movement. So this is like consolidation, I thought, but today this candle confusing us. So tomorrow we have to say where it closes. So if it closes positively or within this zone, we can say it is consolidating, and there are a lot of the chances it will turn in the upper side. If you see in the subsequent days. See, GBPINR. See, it had a gap up actually. Previous close 104.09, opening 104.35. Almost 25 paise it gap up, but close end to end, close to close basis 20 paise it is positively closed. See that after the gap, it was very narrowly traded. There is no intraday opportunity we can see. See, this is the place most of the time it was traded. So 104.35, 104.45. Just in 10 paise, almost the entire day it is traded. And then after that, again on 10 paise, it has closed negatively from this point. But entire close to close basis, 20 point it positively closed. For intraday place, there is no chance at all because it's completely hovering the VWAP and the EMH lines. So there is no trading opportunity. This is very rarely this kind happens. So if you see the positional trading for 1 hour chart, so it is now in the consolidation phase. So how it performed the whole month, that we will see now. Usually Euro and GBP, the monthly volatility, the high and low, if you see the monthly, it would be 3 to 4 rupees actually. But how much this month it had done? You see here, this is the month beginning. Most of the time it was here. But anyway, the high is this one. So 106.40, the low is 104. So 2 rupees 40 paise only. So it is less than a average we can say. But that too, the almost the entire month it was just 105.20, 106.20 we can see. So 1 rupee it was just traveled for the whole month. Then lost a few sessions it has come down. So still there are a lot of chances it will come down only. Let me see how it happens. Euro INR. Previous close 89.55, opening 89.66, 11 paise gap up. Exactly it closed at the gap only we can say. So if you see the chart, the end it gap up, then it has went up until 89.74. From there it has came down to 89.54. 20 paise from the high it has come down. Again very short duration. Again it come up again further, then again close. So if you see the close to close basis, it is closed at 20 pc positively. So for the intraday players, this would be the entry. VWAP is the stop loss. This would be the decisively this is come. So this candle would be the entry point for short actually. So that is 8970. So the exit would be this, because this is the hammer hitter form and the resistance candle is here. So according to the price pattern, you found out exited here. Very good. So 8955. The entry is 7. So 15 paise would have covered. That is 150 rupees per lot. Again, this would be if anybody take the long entry, covering the short entry, at the same time making a long, if I made a long entry, again some 15 paise here. So there are also two opportunity in the euro. So the monthly base, if you see the positional traders, see the whole month it was traded very narrowly. This is the yes. Most of the time it was in this. So we will take this one. If you see 89.50, 91.50, that is in the 150, the whole month it was traded. Then last couple of sessions only it has come down till here. That is 89.40, you can see. So if you see the monthly high and low, so if you see roughly 89.50, 91.50, we can say it is just 2 rupees. It should be usually 3 to 4 rupees. It should be. So the month wise it is less than average, we can say. Subsequent is there are chances it may go up. So it is consolidating here. The subsequent is it will go in the higher side. USDINR options. See the today's RBI reference rate is 82.65. So today the monthly expiry. So this is the settlement price for this contract. See here. Yesterday I told it will be closed at 82.50 and 82.75. Exactly 82.65 it has closed. So what we expected, the same place it is closed. But here it's showing wrongly. I will prove that it is wrong. See, suppose this 83, suppose it is closed here in the sense, this 85 would be 0 because it is out of the money. You have to put concern, but here how much it is? 10 paise. Okay, it is 80 to 75 above. This would be at least 25 paise, but how much it is? 0.14, that is 14 paise. So if you see this, this is the where it is closed, not here. This is wrongly showing. This is the settlement. This is the expiry periods. Okay, I am the boss, the US dollar. So it is very much in the intact. The trend is intact. So let us keep on going up. If you see the weekly chart, it is above the channel. So we keep on saying 106 is the resistance. So it's moving towards that. So we will see subsequently how it performs. So this video is for learning purpose. Don't take any trading or investment decision based on this. Always do your own study and analysis and take your own decision with the guidance of your SEBI registered advisor. We'll see you next video. Please subscribe and do like. Thank you. Bye bye.